Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Dogelon Mars cost estimate proposes a chance of Elon exchanging between $117 to $2 in 2025, which really is genuinely critical. The cost of one Elon would by and large reach as commonly high as $178 by 2030, which basically is genuinely huge. The negative cost expectation for Dogelon Mars Elon in 2040 is $1.939, with a very likely especially high of $0.7068, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. It is a bullish situation. Dogelon Mars could really outperform the $114 mark for 2050, exhibiting commonly likely vertical energy in a significant manner. With the in every practical sense current cost of $1.31, Dogelon Mars in a real sense holds its ground on the lookout, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Starting around 04 walk 2024 Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is exchanging at $1.31 in term of its UST rate with the value change of 553% in most recent 1 hour in a genuinely enormous manner. Elon really has an all-out market cap of $171.9 at 65,698 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,570,177, which explicitly is very critical. This makes Dogelon Mars Elon sort of positioning at 339 in the cryptographic money market, which explicitly is very critical. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogelon Mars generally be exceptionally worth in 2024 in a kind of large manner? Is Dogelon Mars a kind of wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024 in a sort of huge manner? Will Elon cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, truly in spite of mainstream thinking? These fundamentally are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, or so they thought. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation 2024 as per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Elon cost really is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $1 for the normal pretty least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to generally be $49, which sort of is genuinely huge. Besides, Elon can especially arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $1.46, which for the most part is very huge. Dogelon Mars value gauge walk 2024 the really normal cost of Dogelon Mars Elon could in a real sense go to $1.30 near toward the finish of walk 2024. Elon could basically be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $9.31 with the essentially least expected cost of $1.08 in a by and large huge manner. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation April 2024. The cost for Dogelon Mars in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.33 and $1.33, which truly is very critical. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $1.31, demonstrating the way that Elon could generally be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $1.31 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $1.28 in a significant manner. Dogelon Mars value figure May 2024. In May 2024. The in every way that really matters most extreme cost for Dogelon Mars could basically stretch around $1.34 in a sort of enormous manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Elon in May 2024 explicitly is $1.31 with an especially normal cost of $1.32, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation June 2024. The cost for Dogelon Mars in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.32 and $1.35 amazingly. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $1.34, which basically is very critical. Elon value figure July 2024. The Dogelon Mars gauge for July 2024 expects that the Elon may basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $1.37 with a genuinely least cost of around $1.33, which by and large is genuinely huge. discussing the genuinely normal value Elon can basically stretch around $1.35 for July. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Dogelon Mars cost is gauged to generally arrive at a fundamentally the least cost of $1.35 in a kind of enormous manner. The Elon cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $1,038 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $1.36 in a truly significant manner. Dogelon Mars Elon value estimate September 2024. The Dogelon Mars Elon cost for September 2024 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $1.36, while the really most extreme determined cost certainly is around $1.40, showing how Dogelon Mars value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the greatest cost for Dogelon Mars could especially stretch around $1.34 in a buy and large significant manner. The especially normal cost for Elon truly is really anticipated to fundamentally reach $1.37 in September 2024, which sort of is very huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation October 2024. Dogelon Mars cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $37 to $42 in October. B24, while the sort of typical cost of Elon for the October for the most part remains around $10.38 Elon value gauge, November 2024, the Dogelon Mars figure for November 2024 expects that the Elon may in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $10.44 with an essentially least cost of around $10.38, which truly is genuinely huge. Discussing the typical value Elon can in every way that really matters stretch around $39 for November in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024 Dogelon Mars cost generally is gauged to arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $39. So in a bullish situation, Dogelon Mars could basically outperform the $0.14 mark for 2050. Exhibiting fundamentally possible vertical energy, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Elon cost could generally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $1.46 with a typical expected cost around $1.04, which for the most part is very critical. Dogelon Mars commonly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogelon Mars's cost truly has shown a for the most part great increment of 29.66% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. From by and large most recent 7 days the Elon in every practical sense was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 91.47%, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars by and large has shown areas of strength for genuinely all expectations and purposes potential of late, and this could be a great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how Dogelon